Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about PrimeBiome, a probiotic gummy that has been gaining attention for its role in supporting gut health and improving skin appearance. If you're someone who values digestive wellness and natural skincare from within, stick around as I walk you through what this product has to offer. PrimeBiome is a probiotic supplement designed to be an easy addition to your daily routine. Instead of capsules or powders, it comes in a convenient gummy form, making it simple to take. Just one gummy per day is all you need. This user-friendly approach allows anyone to support their digestion and skin health without hassle. What makes PrimeBiome stand out is its blend of natural, science-backed ingredients that work together to balance the gut microbiome. A healthy gut plays a vital role in digestion, metabolism, and even skin clarity. Some of the key ingredients include Bacillus coagulans, a probiotic strain that helps restore gut balance and promote smooth digestion, and babchi, known for supporting skin cell regeneration. Additionally, dandelion aids in detoxification, while fennel, inulin, fenugreek, lemon balm, organic Ceylon ginger, organic lion's mane, and slippery elm bark work together to ease bloating, enhance digestion, and nourish the skin from the inside out. One important thing to note about purchasing PrimeBiome is that it is only available through the brand's official website. This ensures that customers receive the authentic product rather than counterfeit or lower quality alternatives that may be sold elsewhere. Since the product has gained popularity, there have been reports of fake versions on third-party platforms, so it's crucial to buy from the right place. To make it risk-free, PrimeBiome is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, allowing users to try it with confidence and request a refund if they are not satisfied with their results. Before considering PrimeBiome or any supplement, it's important to keep a few things in mind. While it is designed to support gut health and skin clarity, individual results may vary based on diet, lifestyle, and overall health. Probiotics work best when combined with a balanced diet and a healthy routine. PrimeBiome is not a miracle cure, but it can be an effective tool for those looking to improve digestion and skin wellness naturally. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or take medications, it's always a good idea to check with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. For those interested in learning more about PrimeBiome, detailed information about pricing and available packages can be found on the official website. I've included the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this information helps you decide whether PrimeBiome is the right choice for your wellness journey. See you in the next video.